Welcome to the latest Acuity Development update. It is 15th of June 2020. I am Jonathan Brown, founder of the Acuity fully decentralized social media platform. And as I was explaining in my previous video, the Acuity platform is actually going to be transitioning from an independent Ethereum blockchain to a blockchain based on Substrate, with the potential to eventually join the Polkadot network. So I've been making some progress to that end. So we can see here we have a new domain name, acuity.social, and I've just set up a little testnet. So we can see it running here. This is some of the stock software that is provided as part of the Substrate software development kit. So one of the next things that I've done is I've actually started to write a software library. So this is published on NPM. So what has been happening so far is that in the Acuity application, I've been writing a lot of code that is used for communicating with the Acuity platform. And then when I started writing some other utilities, like I wrote a script to synchronize YouTube videos to Acuity, and then I found I was really writing a lot of the same code over again in the utility. So the idea is, as we transition to this Substrate-based blockchain, I'm going to start putting all of the code that can be shared between projects. That will all go into this API project. Okay, so I can actually show you. So this is the current Acuity Browser, and I've started to update it to connect to the Substrate testnet instead of the existing Ethereum blockchain. So it's using the new Acuity library, and it's just making a few queries. So we get the node name, we get the node version, the Polkadot API version, and then we can see the block number is incrementing, and that's actually happening every 6 seconds. So it's not like with a proof of work blockchain where the time of the next block is random. With proof of stake, it happens much more regularly. And we can just have a quick look at the code. So at the moment, it's very simple. I've just implemented some methods. So you have an initialization method, and it will connect to the Substrate node. And then we have a get info method and a get block number method. So that's all we have at the moment in the software library. But as time goes on, I will migrate more of the functionality from the Acuity Browser into this library as we migrate to Substrate. So as you probably already know, the name of the cryptocurrency is going to be changing from Mix to Acuity whenever we make the transition to the new Substrate blockchain. And I think that will be able to happen by the end of August. So if we look at the current inflation schedule, so we're almost at day 1,200. So we can see that the project revenue will reduce to 20,000 mix per day, or 20,000 Acuity per day, as it will be. And that's down from 50,000 where we started. And the green line is the mining reward, which of course is part of proof of work. But whenever we switch to proof of stake, then we will no longer have this block reward line. So if we compare when the project started, so we had a combined daily increase in total quantity of mix of 80,000. And so shortly, once we convert to the new Substrate based proof of stake blockchain, and then the daily increase will be 20,000. So the inflation rate will be 1/4 of what it was when the project started. Okay, so if you want to join the project, you can click on a little link below. You can join the Discord channel. That's probably the best way to get in touch with the community. If you want to support this project financially, you can buy the Mix cryptocurrency on any of the exchanges listed below. Alternatively, you can contact me directly on Discord if you want to purchase some of the cryptocurrency from the crowdfund. And bear in mind that whenever we switch to the new Substrate blockchain, all of the Mix balances will be preserved. So if you have any quantity of Mix, then you will have the same quantity of Acuity once we switch to the new blockchain. So I think that'll do it for today, and I'll be making some more videos very soon. Thank you very much.